Alright, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our smart contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be inside of our contract file, and I'm going to show you how we're going to configure our, the key with a dot key store dot JSON file using this command right here. We're going to do Control Shift plus P. So let's head over to our actual contract file so I can show you how we do that. So you can see here, I already put our private key in, I already decrypted it, and it's saved to the dot key store dot JSON file, which was created here. So we're gonna pop over here and see what that looks like. So you can see this is what the file looks like originally. It's just one long line of code. It'll be pretty hard to read like this. So we're gonna come over here. We're gonna come inside. We're gonna Control Shift P. That should bring up the format. We're gonna actually leave it here. Click on the format document. Did it click? No, let me do it again. I didn't click on it actually. Control Shift P. There we go. And as you can see, let's save it. Now our .key store.json file is configured in a more readable format that we can actually look and see. Now again, this is just the information from our decrypted private key. So this is all the information here. Our decrypted private key, the password we set to encrypted. This is our encrypted private key information and the decrypted password and everything else that goes into it. So all of that stuff is here, stored in this .key store.json file, and we just use the Control Shift P command to actually format it more readable, so you can see this is what it looks like now. All right, that's all I wanted to show you. So I think that was pretty much the end of that module. Also, let me hop back over there really quickly so I can see. Yeah, so basically that was the end of this module here. We're going to be starting a new module tomorrow. It's going to be the decrypting private key in Python. So this is actually going to help us decrypt our private key after we have encrypted it. Even though we already know how to do that, we're just going to go through the motions of it and actually see how that works in real time when we go over it step by step. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.